Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Amazon Seller Central to inventory tracking dashboards, complete guide step by step clearly. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the settings menu located in the top right corner. Select user permissions from the drop-down options. Invite a new user by entering the email address of the person you want to connect for inventory tracking. Set the necessary permissions for the new user to access inventory data. Save the changes and ensure that the new user confirms their invitation. Next, log in to your inventory tracking dashboard platform. Locate the option to connect to Amazon Seller Central or integrate a new data source. Click on the corresponding button to initiate the connection process. You will be prompted to enter your Amazon Seller Central credentials. Provide the necessary login information. After successful authentication, authorize the inventory tracking dashboard to access your Amazon data. Select the specific data you want to sync, such as product listings or sales data. Customize any additional settings as required by your dashboard. Confirm the integration and wait for the system to finish syncing your data. Check your dashboard to ensure all relevant Amazon inventory data is accurately displayed. Set up any alerts or notifications within your tracking dashboard to monitor your inventory levels. Regularly review the integration to ensure continuous data flow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.